So, hi guys. I will discuss to you what is MVC. A common design pattern in a software engineering is called Model View Controller, which divides an application into three interrelated components: model, view, and controller. This division aids in complexity management, encourages structured code, and makes application maintenance and scalability easier. Creating well-organized and maintainable application requires a clear division between data management, user interface, and user input processing, which what MVC encourages. So, how to install a Laravel? How do we install Laravel? First, search Laravel, download, then this. So, is first L- install a composer. Composer. Get composer. Download. Just click here and then download and install. So, nag-install na ako naka-install na yung composer, so hindi ko na install. So, next is punta tayo sa command prompt. Command prompt. And then, iti-check natin yung version ng composer natin. Version. Yan. Ito yung version ng composer, and then ito yung sa nakaan na yun. Yan. And then, i-install na natin yung Laravel. Just copy this, and then go to command prompt, then install. Paste. Tanggalin lang natin ito. And then, this. And then, enter. Hintayin lang natin na mai-install. Yan. And then, pwede rin natin i-check yung version ng Laravel. So, Laravel version. This is the version of Laravel. And then, pag na-check na natin yung installer ng Laravel, is pupunta na tayo sa punta na tayo sa VS Code. Ano yung VS Code natin? At naka-create na rin ako ng folder. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa sa terminal. Terminal. And then, gagawa pa pala tayo dito ng pangalan natin siya ng SMA 3C. Yan, naka-create na tayo. So, ang next is Balik tayo dito sa VS Code. And then, Laravel SIA 3C. Yeah, none. So, hintayin lang natin siya. Hmm, tagal niya. Yeah. So, which database will your application use? Ang gagamitin natin is MySQL. Enter. So, default database updated. Would you like to run the default database migration? So, yes. Mm, yes. Yeah. This is, hindi tayo mga ano niya. Gusto. So, next is, on CD, Sia, she, C. 3HP Artisan serve. So this is our server. So double click, click, control, just a click, click. Yeah, andito na. So, andito na yung ano natin. Next is the routes. Tayo sa best code sa route. PHP. Resource. Control. What? No. SIA that play the PHP filter. So, gawa na ako ng ganyan kanina. So, write the HTML and then enter. And then, gawa tayo ng heading. Gawa tayo ng heading. H1. So, no. So, Control. Isara na ay, 3C. Isara na natin yan. Okay. Save and then web page. Just copy the route. Copy. And then paste here. And then SIA. Then susulat din natin yung SIA dito. SIA. Save. Then punta na tayo dun sa Laravel. And then SIA. Then, tapos,